Morning.
Good morning.
Hello, good morning, where do you came from? Perfect stranger I've been waiting on. Right place at the right time, nobody can tell me you ain't mine. Yeah, to be honest, I've never been this bold. Your personality, it warms my soul. All they ever do is lie to you, baby, tell them other niggas bye-bye. Yeah, come over here, so I know you love my accent.
Chilling like a villain. Yeah. Go on, baby. Throw your line in now. The sea's rough today, huh? Is it? Say hi to the people, baby.
Hello. It's very low.
Hey. Wow. Hey. Babe, there's a girl sitting up there. A bite or no bite? That's a bite. Feels like. Oh, look at that. Him take, look. Him try to bite. island at these scary rocks. Yeah, babe? So it's just me and Babe sort of day fishing. Babe had an early day today. So, yeah. It's nice of him to come home early and we can do this in islands at daycare. Oh yeah.
It looks like some kind of flower.
Like flowers, yeah. So yeah guys, we've been kind of exploring the sea. It's a little bit rough, but we're gonna go try fish somewhere else now a little bit, hopefully a little bit calmer. So is that an oyster? You got a knife? Get a knife.
You know, I've never done this before.
This is awesome. Maybe you can eat some fresh oyster. Yummy, guys. Let's have a feel. And
this one, put the one there. So you get that close up.
hang on, babes. Alright, okay.
Ooh, that's cool. I've never done this before, guys, so I don't know which way is the right way to open an oyster on the rocks. You know them do it, babe?
No.
Wiggle, wiggle. Do they get the whole thing? They get the whole thing out of the rock?
I think so. Just be careful you don't cut your fingers.
Yeah, hopefully I don't break the knife either.
I swear, guys, these little things look like bussel, babe.
Yeah, they do.
These things, guys, here. That looks like bussel, right? Guys, let me know in the comment section. Oh gosh, I wonder how they do it.
There's another one here as well. Let's see if I can get this one open. From the angle to open it, it's this way. But I can't reach under there.
Really? You can't open it from that end there?
Sorry. This one should be the one that...
Jiggle and a jiggle and a jiggle and a jiggle.
Oh shit, that's hard. There's no rock here. I would have smashed it. Because I can't forget it. Careful, I get wet. Smashed it.
Wow, look at that, guys.
Yes, it is oyster.
Oh yeah. Wow, if you don't know, now you know.
But it's all smashed, ruined in a sense.
Nice.
Didn't come out perfect, guys.
You want to eat some? You eat some.
You try this one.
Alright. Isn't it, you have to clean something out of it?
To be honest, I don't know. When we do it, I'm at the place.
You eat it.
Yeah?
You eat it.
I'm not big on oyster.
You eat it, baby. I don't know, babe. Is it the right oyster? It just looks a little, I don't know, it just looks like really creamy. Yeah, I don't know, babe. Guys, this doesn't look right. Yeah, baby, me no know.
Here's another one.
Yeah, I don't know if they...
Why is it so creamy?
Yeah, that's what I don't know. That's why I'm like, nah.
Well, I don't know.
Yeah, nah. I don't know.
I don't know much about
I don't know, guys.
That's just the body of it.
Yeah, I think they need to be like bigger. For some reason that doesn't look like.
But if you look, people actually peel them off the rock. If you look at those, they're actually open. So people definitely eat them off the rock.
People eat them, but I don't know about that white stuff, eh?
I don't know anything about them.
Nah. Babe, I swear those little black shell things are like bussel, man. We started to realise that this is high tide now, because when we came this wasn't like this, it was quite low. So
Hold on, babe.
it's alright. I think I got this. Mamacita unruly, you know? Thank you, my love. Maybe there's some fish in here, my love. We're gonna have to bring Bobo for a little swim around here if he stays in one spot. Such a beautiful beach. Starting to come in the water now. That's a good sign then. It means the river will probably start rise.
If you have a deep spot, it would be good for fishing.
Yeah.
You can show over this side though. How steep is it?
We're true up this side.
Fishing at the harbour mode.
That's where fish come and go. For real. Even that side is good too. It doesn't look like there's that much rocks anyway. You good? Oh wow, people passed away here or something. Look. Wow. Maybe here, or that's like their plaques. 220. Wow. She looks young. Down here?
Yeah.
Alright. Oh wow, this is like fake gravel. I thought it was like real.
They made it so it doesn't slip.
Yeah.
Any bites?
Nah. Try again. Bring it down. Bring the stuffed bait down here. Just easy. Thank you, Papi. Papi. Papi chulo. Watch Daddy catch some fish.
It's on the other side.
You gonna swap it? Good throw, Daddy, good throw. Watching the sun go down, watching the sun go down, watching the sun go down. Oh, Daddy, watching the sun go down. It is a beautiful evening. Beautiful evening, yes it is.
In Florida.
Yeah.
The lens good.
Yeah.
They actually take
Oh, I wonder what those things are.
drug testing going on down here.
Or random dress testing.
Do you think I'll have a problem filming?
No, that's fine.
Oh yeah, they definitely would stop us.
No worries, buddy.
Yeah. Oh, where are the cops? Oh, straight up. Oh, it's a line.
I don't mind.
Yeah. That's great.
Good morning.
Morning.
Good morning. Hi, good thanks.
Yeah.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Thank you. Have a good one.
That's how they do alcohol testing. Is that just for alcohol or drugs as well?
Just alcohol. If they wanted to drug test me, they could.
Or is it the same process?
No, a drug test, they swipe your tongue with like a saliva test, like a saliva test.
Okay.
Yeah. Thank you. I don't drink and I don't do drugs. Say no to drug.
Yeah, man.
Say no to drugs.
When I find them things there.
Children.
You know?
Oh gosh.